Hi, my name is Kaylee. I'm a junior here at Seabreeze High School. I've been in the culinary program for 3 years, and today I'm going to show you how to make red velvet cheesecake brownies. For the brownie portion, you'll need 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of red food dye, a pinch of salt. Next, we're going to scramble 2 eggs. After they're all whisked together, add them to your bowl. Make sure you fold in figure 8 motions to make sure everything's well combined. 1 stick of unsalted butter that's melted. The best way to melt your butter is in the microwave in 30-second intervals, just until it's melted. After everything's combined, you're going to add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour to the batter. And you're just going to do the same figure 8 motion that you were doing before. Before pouring your batter into your pan, set aside 1/4 cup of batter so that you can create the swirling effect later. Make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. For the cheesecake portion, you'll need 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, room temperature, 1 egg, and 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're going to mix all of your ingredients on medium speed until everything's smooth and combined. Make sure to scrape your bowl after you're done to make sure everything's incorporated. It's important to spray your pan with nonstick cooking spray to ensure that your brownies come out beautiful. Pour the remainder of your batter into the brownie pan. Make sure you're scraping the bowl so that everything gets in it. It's going to be thick, so it's helpful to just spread everything around. Once that's even, you're going to take your cheesecake batter and put it right on top. To finish everything off, you're going to take your reserved batter, put it on top so that we can swirl it around. You're going to take your butter knife or skewer and start going in swirling motions back and forth. This creates a marbling effect all throughout the brownies. You're going to place it in the oven for 30 minutes. After your brownies are done, you're going to take them out of the oven and let them cool on the counter for 30 minutes. After your brownies have cooled down, you're going to plastic wrap them and put them in your fridge for at least 2 hours. After they've cooled, remove them from the fridge to cut before serving. These brownies are delicious on their own, but served best when they're paired with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Thanks so much for joining us today. Join us next time for another delicious dish. Claws up, crabs!